Gusto ko lang ipaalam sa inyo. Hindi po ko nanghihingi dahil sa kapritsyo. Hinihingi ko po yung sense of pride ng Manila to give it back to us. And I will discuss any John Doe's and Mary in an argument. Everything here is City of Manila during the old times. But through gawa ng batas, o naging Frankenstein na po kami. Opo, Frankenstein. O, tingnan po ninyo ha. O, yan, partner namin, NPDC. O, Luneta. Anong Luneta? Meron bang NPDC nung panahon ni Rizal nung binabaril si Rizal sa Bagong Bayan? It's called Manila. Luneta, Manila. Puerto. O, kaibigan din natin, PPA. O, dahil sa PD 1616, I think, if I'm not mistaken. O, naging PPA. Pero ano yan dati nung araw? Puerto ng Maynila. Intramuros. Partner natin yun. Dahil sa PD, naging Intramuros Administration. Metropolitan Theater. Metropolitan Theater. Manila. So my point is, dati naman amin yan. Now, don't get me wrong. Inaagawan ko ba sila? Hindi, itinatama ko lang. Unti-unti na maibalik ang pagtangos ng ilong ng mga taga-lungsod ng Maynila dahil ang may-ari niyan ay lungsod at mamamayan ng Maynila. Now, respecting what happened in the past, how can you work around it? Di ba? Alam mo, to create certainty in government, no? Hindi naman pwedeng dadali mo sa country, hawakan mo nga tenga, hawakan mo nga ilong, no? Yes, we recognize. In fact, tinan ninyo. Eh, may pagtatanong nyo naman yan sa National Museum, sa AIG, sa TIESA, name it. NPDs, lahat yan, nakikipag-ugnayan kami. So, that actuation itself of your city government is already recognizing your authority. It doesn't disregard or diminish your authority by us claiming such OM or operation management and maintenance. It's just that, okay, we can live together in harmony, o inyo pa rin yan, o baka naman pwedeng bigyan nyo na ng poder ang lungsod. For example, Metropolitan Theater. Metropolitan Theater. I challenge everyone in this manner. Ito lang look at who owns that. O paano yan napunta sa NCCA? Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, yan po ay naisalya sa panahon na magulong mundo at napabayaan ng lungsod ng Maynila. Yan naman talaga meron din kaming kasalanan bilang lungsod. Pero hindi pa po ako pinapanganak noon. Para lang maliwanag tayo. Maaaring iba rin sa inyo dito hindi pa pinapanganak noon. But this is what happened. So napabayaan, natalo sa Korte Suprema, naging pagmanayari ng GSIS. Ang Intramuros, particularly ang wall, is the fortress of Manila, defending this country, defending this city. And we today, as leaders, we are going to defend our people and our next generation to the threat of danger from our environment. So that's why we are going to create a forest. Now, we were going to call it Fortress to Forest, ang Intramuros Golf Course. Ay tingnan ninyo naman, baka naman Yorme, ikaw naman, kapritsyo lang yun. O titingnan natin kung anong itsura. Kung ano yung inilaan ng... Remember, I did not do this alone. I was with international group, particularly the country that I believe that can be Manila, Singapore. The people of Singapore, some assets of Singapore was utilized to design the entire 22 of 37. Papakita ko na lang yung pictures, wag na yung flood control. Kasi baka may skandalo pa kayo. Flood control na naman. But I just want you, so that's the old, may pointer ba to? Ayan. Ayan ang pagkakatatag ng Intramuros. So I'll make you slides. Ganyan sa dati. No? Ito na yung flood control. Isuswipe ko lang. Use your imagination. Because as we speak, the DED is being done. What you call detailed engineering. But the master plan is what you're going to see today. See? Pag mabilis. Saan ako tatapat? Colleagues? Doon? Tingnan niyo to. Very particular ako sa design. See this? Okay lang. Ayaw kong mag-lecture. Ang parang professor na dating. I just want you to have a glimpse of why are we dead set doing this. You see the left side of the screen. Tubig. Tubig, ano? Pagka tag-araw, ayan yung tsura niya. Pag tag-ulan at bumaba sa loto ng Top Avenue Corner Calao at tapat ng PGAs, we can pump out those waters. Lalo na, alam niyo yung isang pinagkalala ko itong nakaraang baha. For the first time, pinasok yung San Agustin Church. Alam niyo yung tinawag sa akin ng pare na yung aking dalawang barangay tanod, pumunta rito sa nervous ko. Kasi imagine yung century-old materials existing inside that cannot be replaced. Talaga, kaya maraming salamat kay Arnel. Napadala ka agad ng pump. Just imagine, those are one of the threats that we have faced already. Sino nakapunta ng Singapore? Nakapunta na kayo sa likod ng Marina Bay? So nagkakaroon na kayo ng idea. Naglakad kayo doon? Nagbayad kayo, no? May entrance, ano? Pero pupunta tayo. Samantalang pinaglalaroan lang natin ng palakanong araw yung mga ganyan. But, you know, the magnet to go as tourist, then you pay. Tapos papawisan ka, kalakad. Nagbayad ka na, pinagpawisan ka. These are the same concept. For our students. Because I have a university inside. PLM, LSU, Letran, pero pa isa, Papua. Plus yung high school pa natin. Manilahan. Gusto yun ng passion show by the garden? Basta use your imagination. I don't want to explain all the details. Kasi I made a commitment to Intramuros administration. No movement 6 meters from the wall. Because I want to elevate the wall. Tingnan nyo ha, kung ako nasa Manila Hotel, looking down in Intramuros, with all the forests, gusto ko yung wall city lumulutang sa gabi. Kaya, walang galawan sa gilid at may uplight, you know? It's like in Paris. O nga pala, oops. Paano mag-back? Masama bang mangarap? Is it bad for us? Really? Sabi ng mga golfer, bad daw eh. Yeah.